I'm in Galveston, Texas, but I'm not here to eat a three-course meal by the seaside. I'm here to look at a massive graveyard of old locomotives owned by the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway. This is what you would call a deadline, where locomotives that have lived their full life are lined up and stored, awaiting scrapping or possibly being sold off to other companies. Here's a C40-8W locomotive. This was formerly owned by the Santa Fe Railroad until it was merged into BNSF, which in my opinion has one of the most beautiful looking paint schemes on it, though it is heavily sun-bleached from decades of service. The nicknamed War Bonnet paint scheme is what it's called. I could go on and on about all the historic gems in this deadline that are at risk of being scrapped, and it is definitely sad knowing all these trains will soon be gone. But history here is not forgotten, as there is a museum home to a lot of old relics from the bygone era of railroading, like this wigwag signal, and preserved Santa Fe locomotives in the War Bonnet paint scheme. They also have a train which you can ride, and I got the privilege to ride in the cab of it. A full-length video of this cab ride can be found in the description of my channel, just to look at all the awesome history on this island.